This is the Longan Dragonite, Kahala variety. Pretty small though. This one's probably about also 1.5 feet, 2 feet. Starting to flower. Some new growth up here. This one's also starting to flower with the star cherry. Forget the name of this one. I bought this one online. This is the blackberry gem. It had leaves when I got it. I think it is deciduous, so it will come back in a little bit. Keep you updated on that. This in the center of everything is an ice cream bean. Got a lot of these exotic trees from Champa Nursery. Very good nursery if you're in LA. Really good prices as well. So this fruit is really cool. It produces these seed pods, and it's also a nitrogen fixing tree. Supposedly could grow up to 20 feet in a year. So we'll see. It's probably about 7-8 feet right now. It was, probably like about this tall when I got it. So it's already grown quite a bit. It's gonna be taking nitrogen out of the air and bringing it into the soil, so it's gonna help all these other trees do well. Everything in this area is quite small though. This one's doing pretty good. I forget the name of this. It's a certain type of, it's like a cherry guava. This could be the strawberry guava. I'll post the name. I'm not quite sure. This tree I ordered from Puerto Rico. I also ordered this one from Puerto Rico. And this one also is from Puerto Rico. This one also is from Puerto Rico. This one also, that was the mangosteen back here. I got 2 mangosteens. I don't think they survived. We'll see. Forget the name of this one right now, but it is in the citrus family. I'll post the name of it. Sorry about that. Yeah, all these names are kind of, I've never tried any of these fruits, so the names are not really sticking for me for some of these. Also forget the name of this. This is a papaya I grew from seed. This tree right here is a chacha. Also from Champa Nursery. Little yellow fruit grow on it. We'll see, this one might not survive. It's needs more of a tropical climate. This is a raza. Also got this from Champa Nursery. Shout out. A raza Araka boy. This has actually produced fruit already in the first couple months that I got it, so I'm pretty certain it's going to produce fruit again this summer. This is a papaya, also grew from seed. These are some dragon fruits. Hopefully we'll climb up this tree. Getting close to the end, actually. This is a lemon mangosteen. This one might not survive in this area. This was like the biggest risk that I bought. And then this one right here is a Ruby Supreme Guava. Also doing pretty good. Guavas do really good out here. This is the other mangosteen. We'll see if it survives. I probably should not have planted it in the ground. It was too small. I was just trying to decide where I was gonna put everything in this area. And then yeah, we convinced the neighbors to take out their azalea. We put in new azalea for them. Theirs got a disease and was dying, wasn't looking good. Mulched this area. This was only 2 bricks high, and we took out all the bricks, put in rebar. Now it's 4 bricks high, and we're on a downward slope, so it's gonna be holding a lot more water now. So yeah, this area is a work in progress. Keep you updated. Heading to the front. Let me get on the sidewalk.